Begin at the library homepage, library.lasalle.edu. Roll over the eJournal tab and then type in Wall Street Journal and click on Search. This shows you that we have the Wall Street Journal from the database U.S. Major Dailies. Click on U.S. Major Dailies. This brings you to the search page. We need to go to the advanced search. You will see pub ID 10482. That means that you are searching within the Wall Street Journal because that's the publication ID for that newspaper. What you need to do now is to go down to all dates and choose a specific date range. You need to choose the week that you're interested in searching. So in this case, we are going to go from a Monday, and we have to go to December in this case, and that'd be Monday the 30th, 2019, and then to a Sunday. In this case, it's going to be January the 5th, 2020. And then we're going to run the search. This brings you all of the articles for that date range, 414 results. Now you have some options here. You can go to document type and specify that you want only news if you wanted, or commentary or correspondence. Usually in your case you would want news. And you can go under subject and see what are the main subjects that were covered in the news for that week. So you can click on more over here and you can choose multiple subjects. So if you're interested in investments, interest rates, if you are interested in central banks, if you're interested in economic growth, you could then click on apply, and then you get only the articles that were on those subjects. To look at the articles, all you need to do is to click on the link, and as you can see, the full text of the Wall Street Journal comes up, and at this point you can print it or save it as a PDF if you'd like. Thank you.